Okay, you all, we got some more Boss watch faces for you. You got to watch this one through to the end. These watch faces are off the chain. So let's check them out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And let me tell you, man, these watch faces, the developers are really doing their thing with these watch faces and getting creative and stepping outside of the box. Now, the name of this developer is called AJ Design, and I'm telling you, this guy gets down on some watch faces. Listen, go check out his lineup. I'm telling you, you'll see what I'm talking about for yourself. Okay, so the name of the watch face is called Dark Emerald 12 hours. If I'm not mistaken, they got this in 24 hours as well, if you like 24 hours. But this one here is pretty nice. Now, what I like about it already is that in the always on mode, you're going to get low energy. It's just going to be darkened down a little bit, but you're going to get the same look. But what I like about this watch face is the icons up at the top, right up over the time. Now, you can make a phone call, you get your email, you also get your text message. Now, you get digital time, you get your day, your date, your month right here. And you also get all your info for your exercising and your heart rate. So if you tap on it, because it is inactive, if I can get it to go, I can go into more information, get my steps right there. And the thing about it that I like is that you can hit in each individual one and you can get the info that you're looking for. Now, heart rate won't come up, but listen, let's make a phone call. Easily. My email and my text messages. I'm telling you, this is beautiful. Now, I can also change the colors, as you've seen. Let me go back. I can change the color. And I like this look because I can customize it to 8 different colors. I keep hitting the wrong one, but let me tap at the top here. And you can cycle through to the one you like the most and the background. So if I tap at the top, I could change the look of the background. I'm telling you, this guy definitely got down on this watch face. What do you think, guys? Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Did this guy get out on this watch face or not? And let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, the name of this watch face is called Circuit 12 hours. Again, they have this one also in 24 hours if you like. Now, in the always on mode, it looks okay. It's just pretty much darkened down again. And looking at the watch face, very creative, very unique, but he's got a Duracell battery right at the top, right? You're talking about stepping outside of the box, but take a look in the middle. You go retro, you got a digital time. That doesn't look bad at all with a PM stamp, animated seconds, let you know the day also, and you also get info on your battery, heart rate, and yes, it is inactive. If I tap on it, I can't go into that info. A little bit more, battery. Just tap on that one, my music. Oh, I love it, and my steps. So I'm liking this look. Yeah, the steps comes up. Just got to tap on it the right way. And also, this is information on my steps when my goal is completed. This is also info on my battery. Again, whenever I do these videos, I stay on low sale, don't I? But this is not a bad watch face. I like the fact that this is definitely a conversation starter, and this watch face is meant to be worn casually. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this one. Number 3. Now, number 3 is called Fitness Watch Face. This watch face is beautiful. Even in the always on mode, it looks good. Now, when the watch face is on, this is where the uniqueness takes place about this watch face, where the developer has totally stepped outside of the box with creativity, and all the developers today are doing something different. I'm loving it. They're keeping us on our toes with these different watch faces. Now, this one, I like the double stack. You get your day and your date and your month right up under the bottom. Also, you get information on calories burned, your heart rate, and I like this graph that's going on here. Very colorful, yellow, green, red. Now, this one gives you information on your battery, and if you look at it real good, it's written out for you, just in case you don't understand what graph that is or know what graph that is. Here, there's information on your steps, miles walked or ran, and floors climbed. And it is inactive, so if you tap on the battery, you can get the info on your battery. Same thing with your steps. And I'm liking that. Now, if you're on a run and you listen to music like I do, tap here and you're good to go with listening to your music. That's very important. Now, another thing you can do with this watch face, which I love, you should know already, being able to single tap and customize the color. The color of the watch face is very bright, very vibrant, and they look really, really good. The developer, I'm telling you, did a great job on this watch face. I'm giving 2 thumbs up to this developer. I like what he did with this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Do me a favor, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell on the way out if you have not already. All right, you all, I enjoyed doing this video. I'm glad you stayed and watched. And as you know, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.